So I'm not a big fan of tablets, but I've got to be honest. I wasn't expecting to be this impressed by the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. This thing was launched just about 3 years ago, but the first thing that really caught me off guard now was the quality of the speakers. They are very loud, clear, and surprisingly immersive for such a very thin device. Watching movies or just scrolling through YouTube feels like a mini home theater experience. Then there's the display. Samsung really didn't hold back. The 11-inch dynamic AMOLED screen is very great. The colors are vibrant, blacks are very deep, and that 120 Hz refresh rate just makes everything feel super smooth. Whether you are editing photos, drawing, or just browsing, it feels very premium from edge to edge. And speaking of the edges, this thing is very thin, like impressively thin. It feels very solid and well built. It's so sleek that you almost forget that you are holding a full-blown flagship tablet. Now let's talk about the S Pen. It's included in the box, but the only disappointing thing for me is that I would rather love it to be inside of the tablet itself and not to attach it at the back like how it's designed. Once you attach it at the back, it feels like you can hold it wholesomely. All right, you always have to be carrying the S Pen around. Notwithstanding, it's actually really fun to use. So whether you are like jotting notes, sketching, or navigating, it just works fine. The latency on the S Pen is very low. You will not even notice, and the software integration is on point. One of the most underrated features for me is the AI tools baked into One UI 7, from AI powered note summaries to all the smart search and even editing suggestions. Samsung's really learning into useful AI, and on screen this is big, and for me it makes a very big difference. Now the battery life, I was a bit skeptical, but it's been solid. All right, I've gotten through full days of media use, work, and some editing without stressing about charging. This thing here can actually keep me for about 2 days on heavy usage, and anytime you need to top up, the super fast charging also helps out, big time. The camera, honestly, I do not usually care for cameras on tablets, but this one is quite decent. The rear camera handles document scanning and quick snaps well, and the front cam is very sharp enough for all your Zoom calls or video messages without looking, grainy. But what really ties it all together is the One UI 7. Samsung software has, come such a long way, and even on this tablet, it just shines. Multitasking is effortless. Desk mode works flawlessly, and the whole experience feels refined. Everything from split screen to app continuity feels, very thoughtful. And for me, it feels like it was designed to help you actually get stuff done. Honestly, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 might be one of the most balanced Android tablets I've ever seen. Comes with a beautiful screen, amazing speakers, crazy thin design, and powerful software, solid battery, and even a useful camera. So let me know what you think, if you've used it before or plan to use one, because this one genuinely surprised me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.